Good evening, folks. This is Chi Baker from Street Tactical Integrations in Portland, Oregon, and just wanted to shoot a quick video to let you kind of know what's happening for this upcoming seminar, January 19th from 9:30 to 1:30. And we are super excited, Mac, Heidi, and I, to be offering this for the second year in a row. And this year we are going to do review of some of the information from last year, as well as add some additional really exciting kind of information, concepts, and skill building for those of you who were here last year and really chose to take it a second time, mostly because it was so great last year. Why not come back? So again, a lot of this is going to be really developing the mind, the body, your mental, emotional, physical, spiritual prowess, and really kind of improve your awareness, your mindfulness skills, kind of looking at situations that you're in and how to manage them without any physicality, as well as if it actually moves to that point where you do feel physically threatened to the point that you need to react in a physical way, how to use strikes in different scenarios, different techniques, to get away from the situation so that you go home safe. And ultimately, this is about empowerment. This is really about what I call changing the tide, to move things so that women feel that they get the rightful respect, that they get the rightful empowerment that they need and deserve to really thrive in today's society, and really kind of change our paradigm so that women feel strong, feel fierce, feel empowered in the world today. And as always, safety is our primary concern, so we want to create an environment where you feel safe, right? We also are going to push you into a place that is going to help you develop and change so that you become stronger. So yes, we're going to move you from your comfort zone into, and hopefully out of your comfort zone, so that you grow in this experience. This seminar requires zero experience in any martial arts, in any self-protection, in any kind of knowledge or skill in that area. So we're looking for people who do have some experience or a lot of experience to people who have zero experience. And as I've said before in some of my other videos, that studying martial arts and actually being able to perform self-defense are two different areas. So martial arts typically is about forms, it's about being able to regurgitate information. Self-defense is real action. It's being able to adapt to your environment, to manage your emotions, to use your physical prowess, to use your voice, to stay safe, and to get out of any high-risk situation that you feel unsafe. So, it's really about, again, the mental preparation. It's about understanding your environment. There's going to be a lot of concepts, so there's going to be some kind of discussions and open forums about these concepts, as well as there's going to be physical scenarios and learning how to strike and do things like that. What to bring? Bring shoes that you can move in. Bring clothes that you can move in. The room may be a little bit cold to start, and then we're going to heat it up with our movement, so bring layers of clothes. Bring a water bottle. Bring something to write with and some paper to take notes. Most of all, bring a really excited, motivated attitude to learn and grow, and to really kind of enjoy training side by side. Women who want to really change and grow and feel more empowered, and have the skills to do so. The doors will be open at 9 o'clock. We start promptly at 9:30. There is going to be some paperwork, i.e. a waiver to sign. I'm going to want you to sign in, and it's good to kind of stretch out and move and kind of loosen up those jitters and those muscles so that you're ready to rock and roll. Again, we're all super excited. Mac, Heidi, and I have met several times to kind of further this curriculum and really develop and make an experience that is going to be incredible. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be empowering and help our community get stronger. So I'm excited to see you. Again, if you haven't signed up, please contact me personally at creatingbalance42@yahoo.com. You can also find my school on Facebook, Street Tactical Integrations. And yeah, come on out and we are excited. All right, see you soon.